We are learning arithmetic progression exercise 1.1 in that question 4. We'll go to the question. Which of the following APs, if they are AP, find the common difference and 3 more terms. First we have to find the AP or not. Second things we have to find the D, and third thing we have to write 3 more terms. Okay, we'll see the series. They have given the series, that is 2 comma 5 by 2 comma 3 comma 7 by 2. Now I am writing first term, that is a1 is equals to 2, second term a2 is equals to 5 by 2, third term a3 is equals to 3, fourth term 7 by 2, and the fifth term a5, that is we have to find. Sixth term we have to find. Seventh term we have to find. So first term they have given 2, second term they have given 5 by 2, third term they have given 3, the fourth term they have given 7 by 2. So we have to find the common difference. Common difference, that is this, means a2 minus a1. Okay, this is the D. To cross verify again we have to do this one also, that is a3 minus a2 D. If this D and this D is equal, then it forms an AP. If this D is not equal, this doesn't form an AP. So always difference should be this one, a2 and a1, and the difference between a3 and a2 should be same. So finding this a2 minus a1 and finding a3 minus a2, difference should be same. If it is same, it becomes AP. If it is not same, this D and this D value is not same, then it doesn't become arithmetic progression. We'll go to the problem again. Now common difference D, I am finding a2 minus a1. a2 is 5 by 2. See here, a2 they have given already 5 by 2 in the question, 5 by 2, and minus a1 is 2, 5 by 2 minus 2 is becomes 1 by 2. Do you know 5 by 2 minus 2 means by taking LCM 2 will be common, 5 will be remain same since the denominator is 2. Here if the denominator is nothing is there means 1 is there, so 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 again it becomes 4. So 5 minus 4 by 2 it becomes 1 by 2. So D value is 1 by 2 here. Now one more common difference we are finding here. D is equals to a3 minus a2. a3 is 3. Here a2 5 by 2, not 5 by 4. 3 minus 5 by 2, it becomes 1 by 2. See how does it come here? 3 minus 5 by 2. 3 minus 5 by 2 means LCM you are going to take, that it becomes 2 here common. So here nothing is there means here 1 is there. So 2 into 1 2, 2 we have to multiply here since denominator is 1. So 2 3 is 6, it becomes minus 5 as it is here, and the denominator is 2. 6 minus 5 is 1 and 1 by 2. Now the D value of this is also becomes 1 by 2. Now so as a2 minus a1, a2 minus 1 a1 D, and a3 minus a2 means D, given series from an AP is same, that is 1 by 2. So fifth term is 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 means a4 plus D. a5 means a4 plus D, that is 8 by 2. Now sixth term means a5 plus D, that is 9 by 2. Now seventh term means a6 plus D, that is 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it becomes 5. This is the another 3 terms, 8 by 2, 9 by 2 and 5. Now I am going to write the series, that is a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, a6, a7. Now next question is, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. Same series they have given is minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 7 by 2. See, first term, we are going to first step, we are going to write the first term. Second step, second term. Third term, fourth term. First term is 1 by 2. First term is 1 by 2. Sorry, we have to always tell the number with this sign. Second term is minus 3 by 2. Third term is minus 5 by 2. Fourth term is minus 7 by 2. Now we have to find the fifth term, we have to find the sixth term, we have to find the seventh term. If it is D is same, we have to find these three. If D value is same, then only we have to find, or else we can say AP, this is not an AP, or else we have to find the A5 value, A6 value, A7 value. Now we'll see the now. So we know that A1 A2 value also, A3 A4 value also, we have to find the D value. Now common difference D, A2 minus A1. A2 I am writing like this, minus 3 by 2 minus of 1 by 2. So this is A2 value, this is A1 value, in between that minus will come. So we have to be very careful about this minus. We have to close the brackets instead of each value, in between minus will be there. So minus 3 by 2, minus into minus, it becomes plus 1 by 2. So it is minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 becomes minus 2. So D value becomes, first D value becomes minus 2. Now A3 minus A2, A3 minus A2, this is A3 minus A2, minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So it becomes 5 by 2 minus into minus plus 3 by 2. So it becomes minus 2 again. So both the D are same, value is same, values are same, minus 2 minus 2. So it is an AP, definitely it's an AP, because difference between these two numbers is same. Now we have to find the fifth term, sixth term, seventh term. Now A4 also we can, one more clarification we can do, A4 minus A3. So that is also same, A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus AP. So all are same, so they form an AP. If it is, this is also minus 2, the value of this also minus 2, this value also minus 2. So values are same of the D, so it's form an AP. Now we have to find the fifth term. Fifth term means, I'll clear something. Fifth term means A4, A5 means A4 plus D. A4 means 7 by 2, 7.2 minus 2, it becomes minus 9.2. Sixth term is A6 is equals to A5 plus D. A5 we know that 9.2, 9.2 I am going to write it here, again minus 2, there's the D value, so it becomes 11.2, and the seventh term becomes 13.2.